Hi, I'm Tony Ligi, Customer Support Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. I'd like to introduce you to Joe Miller. He's been with Lyco for almost 40 years. And today we're going to review an intermediate snipper.
Intermediate snipper has 4 trunnions on each corner of the machine. Back of this guard right here. And here's the in-feed trunnion on the in-feed side of the machine. Another key component of the intermediate snipper is the drum. The drum rotates in a clockwise rotation, and the centrifugal force pushes the bean out this opening, and the end of the bean gets snipped off by this knife. There's 3 lubrication stations on the in-feed end and 3 lubrications on the discharge end that have to be lubed every day.
Servicing and supporting our customers is a top priority, especially when it comes to keeping your equipment running smoothly. Our service team is here and available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.